Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it.
Divide the ponytail into 3 sections. Now divide the left side section in half and pass the central strand inside. Same thing on the right side. Divide the right section in half and pass the central section inside. Continue like this until you reach the end. This may look a normal braid, but if you look from this side, you will see the 3-dimensional effect. I hope it will be useful to you, and please subscribe to my channel for not to miss the next videos.